Welcome. This is a video about a Singer 201 that I picked up yesterday for free. The first thing that was obvious was the pedal and the cable had been wired with this horrible orange wire that you'd use on a strimmer. So I've taken that off and I've rewired the cable. So what do we have here? Well, we have a Singer 201K and it's in bits. On first glance, as per usual, the decals are in okay condition. So if they're not worn here, that means the machine hasn't been used too much. So that's a bonus, right? It is an old 201. I looked up the serial number, EC218740, and it is an actual 1939. 1939, believe it. So, bonus. First time I've ever seen one of these. It's a tube of original Singer grease for the motor. And the motor is one of those motors that, look at the dirt of it, has grease points. There. And there. I've tested it, as in I've switched it on. The light switches on. The motor goes. I'm not competent enough to rewire it, but I will inspect the wires for damage. But they look okay to me so far from my little eye. This thing is a disaster. I don't know how that's going to work. How I'm going to make that it's tidy. I know that this is part of it. And I also know that this is broken. This Singer. That should be like that there. So it's Bakelite. I'll probably be able to repair it. The case. Oh God. The case. Somebody obviously did an awful job of trying to open the case. So I have to repair that. But for 1939, I mean, yeah, it's absolutely maggoty. It's so dirty. The wires are so old. There's no belt. It just about turns. I'll have to get a belt for it. And it's a bentwood case with no key. So we'll have to look at that. So I'll do it up and I'll have it sewing and it'll be lovely. And I got it for free.